As an English learner, I procrastinate a lot. Not really, I only feel it. Even when I practice English on my fixed schedule, always back to my books, even when I'm not physically and mentally available to study. But after doing all this, I feel like I'm procrastinating. Why? Maybe English is giving me anxiety. Here is my English studies schedule I want to share with you. I read for at least 15 minutes and finish one chapter every day of Word Power Made Easy. And I practice writing for at least 50 minutes and practice English with ChatGPT. And I practice the use of new vocabulary in sentences with ChatGPT, and also grammar, which I'm very concerned about. Listening to English 15 or 20 minutes, or it depends on the available amount of time to spend for watching English videos, and 30 minutes to 1 hour at night. And sometimes I watch Korean drama with subtitle, and I think this is the only obstacle between me and my English practice. So my purpose of sharing my English practice schedule is to help you. So if you're learning English but still confused where to start and how to make a schedule for your English practice, you can follow mine. And besides, if you have any other great idea or suggestion about English practice, please share with me in the comments. So by following these English practices, I have noticed a good progress in a month. Although there are some points I really need to improve in my English and also stay committed to my English practice. So if your situation is similar to mine, you practice English every day, but it still feels like you are procrastinating. You feel like you're not giving enough time to your English practice. Don't be trapped in your toxic self-blaming thoughts. You are doing enough. If you are spending 2 hours every day for your English practice, that's enough. Because you don't need to give a very big amount of time to your language practice. And practicing English in small chunks is much more effective than practicing English in long hours. Because language learning is different from other things. So if you are spending 3 to 4 hours out of your interest or greed to learn a language, you are making your brain tired and bored. Because human brain doesn't remember things in the long term that make it feel bored or heavy. So don't be so hard to yourself. Learn English with fun, not only with study stuff. Make it lightweight for your brain. And also, don't follow my suggestion blindly. Because if you're willing to learn and enjoying English learning, even practicing it for hours, then go ahead. But if sitting for 1 hour for your English practice feels like a burden to you, don't do it. Because it's not going to work. Because the tighter you want to hold it, the more quickly it slips out of your hands. So just relax, restart, and recharge yourself. This is how a creative mind works. And always keep in mind, work smart, not hard. So nice time to go. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye-bye.